Here are the 500 common English phrases. First, greetings, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hey, how are you? Hey, what's up? Hey, welcome. Long time no see. It's great to see you. Goodbye. Second, introduction. My name is slash Maryam. I am from Pakistan. Nice to meet you. How do you do? I'm happy to meet you. What's your name? Where are you from? What brings you here? I am here from student. I am a student. Basic phrases. Thank you. Please. Sorry. Excuse me. Yes. No. Okay. I don't understand. I don't know. Help. How much is this? Where is? What time is it? I'm lost. Can you help me? Food and drink. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. What's on the menu? I will have a sandwich. Can I get a coffee? Can I get a tea? Where is the restroom? Where is the hotel? How much is the bill? I don't like a refill. Can you give me a glass of water? What's your special today? Directions and transportation. Where is? How do I get to? I'm lost. Can you give me a direction? Can you give me a direction? I need a taxi. Where is the bus stop? What time does the train leave? Can I rent a car? How much is the fare? I need a map. Shopping? How much is this? I will take it back. I will take a suit. I will take a pant. Can I try this one? Do you have shoes? What's the sale price? Can I get a discount? I need a bag. Can I return this? Where is the cashier? Do you accept credit cards? Emergency. Help. Call the police. Call an ambulance. There's a fire. I need a doctor. Where is the hospital? I need a lady doctor. I need a consultant. Can I help your Can I use your phone? I need assistance. Be careful. Watch it out. Small talk. How's your day? What's your weekend plan? How was your trip? What do you do? What's your hobby? How's your family? What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite movie? Have you traveled? What's your favorite place? Do you have any pet? Do you have dogs? Work and business. What's your job? I am a doctor. What's your company? Can I schedule a meeting? I need to make a call. Can I use your computer? Do you have Wi Fi? What's your email? Can I get your card? What's your address? Travel. Where is? How do you get to? I need a hotel. Can I get a map? What's the weather like? How long is the flight? Can I upgrade? What's the bagger? What is the fee? Can I get a refund? Where is the airport? Learning and education. What's the meaning of? How do you say? Can you explain? What is different between? Can you help me with? I need a tutor. What's the homework? Can I get extra credit? What's the grade? Can I retake the test? Number and colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Red, blue, green, yellow, pink, black, and white. Useful phrases. I'm happy to help. Don't worry. Be careful. Good luck. Congratulations. I'm so sorry. What a beautiful day. That's amazing. I'm so proud of you. You're welcome. Anytime. Take care. Get well soon. Safe travel. 100 phrases in daily use. Now it's time to learn daily use phrases and previous phrases for the situation phrases. Now the daily use phrases. How are you? How are you today? I'm good. Thanks for asking. What's up? Not much. Just busy with work. That's great. Keep it up. Do you need any help? Yes, please. I appreciate it. No problem. Help to assist. See you later. Have a great day. You too. How much your weekend? How was your weekend? I was good. Relaxed a bite. Awesome. You deserve it. What's what are you what's your plan? Not sure yet. Still deciding. Take your time, no rush. I will let you know. Sounds good. Can I help you with something? Actually, yes. What do you need help with? I'm struggling with this task. Don't worry, we will figure it out. Thanks for your support. Anytime, that's what friends are for. How's your family? They are doing well. Thanks. That's great to hear. What's new with you? Not much, just the usually routine. I know how dads feel. Do you want to grab coffee? Sure, I had loved it. When are you free? How about tomorrow? Sound perfect. See you then. Bye for now. How's work going? It's keep me busy. That's great. Stay productive. I will. Thanks. Don't forget to take breaks. Good reminders. Thanks. No problem. Take care. You too. Have a great job. I will take you soon. Looking forward to it. These phrases can be used in various situations in daily life for casual conversation to showing appreciation and sports. Remember, communication is key. Guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share too.